Alright, Mr. Claxon's algebra students, algebra 2cp in this case, your homework was to solve every equation for y. So what we're doing here, our goal is to solve for a variable. What variable are we solving for? Y. So take equation 1, rewrite the given, equation 1, 6x minus 3y equals 9. Remember, we're using inverse operations, calling in inverse operations over in reverse order. Reverse order, the mnemonic device I give you for that is AMAP in order to solve. So, what do we need to do to get the y by itself? Our directions are to solve for y. Okay? Solve for y. In order to do that, we need to subtract 6x on each side first. Subtract 6x. Subtract 6x. That looks like time. Multiply. Subtract 6x. Subtract 6x. Notice I'm working down. I'm working vertically, not horizontally. We're left with that minus 3y becomes a plus negative, which is just negative 3y on the left side. On the right side, some may look at this as 9 minus 6x. Actually, many of you will probably look at it as 9 minus 6x. Some of you are going to be able to skip right to this black step of negative 6x. And then the 9 is positive, plus 9. Now what's really happening there is I'm thinking of this as plus a negative, and by the commutative property of addition, I'm rearranging. I am rearranging that in order to be negative 6x plus 9. What do I have on the right side? Well, I still have that pesky negative 3y. In order to undo the negative 3 from the y, well, how's it connected? Oh, it's connected by multiplication. In order to undo that, I must divide. And I must divide the entire side. Ooh, I'm a poet and didn't know it. I must divide the entire side by negative 3. Divide the entire side by negative 3. I'm left with y on the left side, set equal to positive 2x minus 3. How do I get the minus 3? 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. So instead of saying plus negative, I say minus 3. And so right back up here, I have y equals... Actually, I don't even need the y equals. I don't even make you rewrite that. I don't know why I'm rewriting that. I take that back. It does make sense. I am going to make you rewrite that because it actually does make sense. I was not thinking before I spoke. 2x minus 3. Yeah, I made a mistake, but I've already attempted this video a couple times, so we're just gonna roll with it. So 3x plus 7y equals 47. Start with the given. Some of you don't have to do that. I know you can see the given. What do we need to do on each side to solve for y? Subtract 3x. So you might jump right into 7y set equal to negative 3x. Ooh, look at that. Plus 47. If you understand that, then you've eliminated a couple steps. If you do not understand that, then you're going to need to watch one of my previous videos. Okay? Negative 3x plus 47. I know now that I need to divide by 7 on each side. I must show that. That's how I'm disconnecting that 7 from the y. And I must do it to both sides, the entire side. I am now left with y equal to, and understand this is a shortcut, negative 3/7. Negative 3/7 of what? Of x plus 47 over 7. And I know that you're thinking, Mr. Claxon, you told us last week that we had to write that as a decimal. And we will. Decimal or mixed number for now. in order to graph that. But you know what? For tonight's homework, you can leave that as a fraction. Even though it irks me a little bit to see it like that, just leave it as a fraction tonight. We'll worry about converting that tomorrow. For tonight, look at that. Y equals negative 3/7 x plus 47 over 7. You know what? That irks me too much. I can't write that as 47 over 7. Well, I know that 7 goes into 47 6 times. What's my remainder there? 5, 6 and 5/7. And now I could plot that as a y-intercept. I know that I could go up about 5/7 and estimate that. Thank you very much for watching this. I hope you feel smarter.